Machines. Machines have made human work much easier in the modern age. At the same time, they have introduced new challenges as well. Hello friends, today's video is going to be very interesting because we're about to show you some incredible machines that operate in places where it would be nearly impossible for humans to work. These are some of the world's top-rated working machines. This highly advanced machine was designed in the United States and has revolutionized road construction. The vehicle you see here is a specialized truck carrying hot asphalt. Attached to the rear are multiple precision tubes that allow it to repair and pave roads in a matter of minutes. Roads are often damaged by harsh weather, heavy rainfall, and constant traffic. However, this machine can restore damaged roads quickly and efficiently, often completing the job within just a few hours. Without a doubt, this is an extremely useful machine that can significantly reduce maintenance costs while improving the quality of road repairs. Walking Excavator. This machine looks remarkably like a giant spider, and even its working style resembles one. Unlike conventional excavators, its legs can move and rotate in almost any direction, allowing it to operate on steep slopes, rocky terrain, and other challenging environments with ease. The mechanism of this machine is incredibly advanced and almost robotic in nature. At first glance, many people might even find it intimidating. What's even more impressive is that it often works in some of the most dangerous and inaccessible locations. There are very few places this machine cannot reach. That's why it ranks among the most impressive excavators in the world. Its unique design allows it to travel across terrain that would be impossible for ordinary construction equipment to handle. As you can see, this excavator can move in virtually any direction and position itself at almost any angle. Operating such a machine requires exceptional skill and precision. Whether it's climbing steep hillsides, crossing rough ground, or performing difficult excavation work, this machine can handle the task with remarkable efficiency. It's truly one of the most fascinating machines ever built. Lagning AB. This machine is specially designed to repair damaged sections of roads with high precision. One of its biggest advantages is that it can complete repairs quickly while causing minimal traffic disruption. The process begins by marking the damaged areas with red paint. Next, the machine uses a powerful cutting blade to remove the worn-out section of the road surface. After the damaged asphalt is cut, another machine lifts and removes the debris. Finally, the area is thoroughly cleaned with industrial brushes, preparing the surface for fresh asphalt and a smooth repair finish. Pothole art. Across the world, people often face difficulties because of damaged roads and potholes. To address this problem in a creative way, some companies have started transforming road potholes into eye-catching works of art. The process begins by filling and leveling the damaged area with special materials. Once the surface is prepared, high-quality printed artwork is applied over it, creating a visually appealing design. These artistic markings not only make the roads look more attractive, but also help draw attention to potentially hazardous areas, making them more noticeable to drivers and pedestrians. Various designs and prints are used depending on the location and purpose. This creative approach combines road safety with public art, turning an ordinary problem into something both useful and visually impressive. If a system like this were introduced in more countries, it could help improve road awareness while making public spaces more attractive. What do you think about this idea? Let us know in the comments below. Hang linker machine. This machine can perform the work of hundreds of workers in a fraction of the time, making it an extremely efficient and cost-effective solution. It is primarily used for placing and arranging paving stones with remarkable speed and accuracy. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to lift multiple stones at once, significantly reducing the time required for road construction. The machine can also position each stone precisely in its designated place, ensuring a perfect fit. Because of its efficiency, fewer workers are needed on the job site. The machine can pick up stones of various shapes and sizes and transport them from one location to another with ease. This versatility is made possible by the specially designed metal attachment mounted at the front of the machine. Available in different configurations, it allows the machine to handle a wide range of stone sizes and patterns. As a result, roads can be constructed with exceptional precision and consistency. When it comes to building stone-paved roads, this truly is a next-level machine. Concrete roller. This machine is primarily used to make road surfaces smooth, level, and perfectly compact. Its operation ensures that the finished road has fewer imperfections, bumps, or potholes, resulting in a higher quality surface. Another major advantage is that it reduces the amount of manual labor required on the construction site. As a result, road building projects can be completed more quickly and efficiently. By simplifying the construction process, this machine helps save both time and costs. It plays a crucial role in creating durable and professionally finished roads. Friends, these rollers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for specific construction tasks. Different types of rollers are often used to create patterns and finishing details along the edges of roads. The widespread use of such advanced machines is one of the reasons why roads in many countries are built with such high quality and impressive appearance. Curbing machine. This machine is used to create concrete curbs along the sides of roads. The process begins by loading a concrete mixture into the machine. Once the material is supplied, the machine automatically forms smooth, uniform, and highly precise concrete curbs. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its efficiency. It allows a small workforce to complete a large amount of work in a short period of time, saving both labor and construction costs. In addition, the machine produces consistent results, ensuring that every section of the curb is built to the same standard. This not only improves the appearance of the road, but also enhances its functionality. Roadside curbs play an important role in guiding traffic, improving drainage, and increasing overall road safety. With machines like this, the construction process becomes faster, more accurate, and far more efficient. Hammer excavator. You have probably seen many types of excavators in your life, which are very powerful, but it is unlikely that you have seen an excavator like this. It is extremely powerful. It has a very powerful hammer attached at the front, which works using hydraulic pressure. It is mainly used in large mining sites for breaking rocks. Its extremely powerful stroke can crush even very large rocks in a single hit. Moreover, its performance is so high that it cannot be compared with any other machine. This is a car shredder. When cars become old and damaged, this machine is used to destroy them and separate the materials. This machine is very powerful and has many hydraulic teeth attached to it. When old cars are fed into it, it turns them into scrap. It operates with the help of a 700 horsepower motor. Its power has no limit.